The 2014 Fiesta Bowl was a college football bowl game played on December 31, 2014, at University of Phoenix Stadium in Glendale, Arizona. The 44th Fiesta Bowl was one of the New Year's Bowls of the college football playoff. It was one of the 2014-15 bowl games that conclude the 2014 FBS football season. The game was sponsored by the Vizio Consumer Electronics Company and is officially known as the Vizio Fiesta Bowl. The game was televised on ESPN and ESPN Deportes and broadcast on ESPN Radio and XM Satellite Radio, with the kickoff time at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. Montana. Teams. The two participants for the game were determined by the College Football Playoff Selection Committee and consisted of at-large selections and/or the highest-ranked team from the group of 5 conferences. This was the first overall meeting between these two teams. Boise State, Arizona. Game summary. Scoring summary. Source: Statistics. Fiesta Bowl history. Prior to the 2014-15 NCAA football season, the Fiesta Bowl became one of the 6 bowls that comprise the College Football Playoff (CFP). This game between Boise State and Arizona ended the Fiesta Bowl's 16-year tie-in with the Big 12. Since 1999, the Big 12 champion had hosted the Fiesta Bowl when it is not playing in the national championship game. The preceding Fiesta Bowl was actually played on New Year's Day, which naturally was also in 2014. There therefore were 2 2014 Fiesta Bowls. References: